Hello everyone! Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically create saved searches for your leads based on the results page from your IDX website. This is a great automation that makes sure your leads keep receiving listing alerts even when they forget to manually save the search. We're going to start inside IDXAddons.com. Once you're logged in, look for the app called Lead Connector, Webhooks, and Workflows. This app includes several webhooks designed to work with HighLevel. The specific one we're going to use today is called IDX Broker Lead Basic Search. Now, I want to show you something very important. Inside the webhook details, there is a section called Important Notes. One of the key lines says, if a search URL is provided, the search criteria from the URL will be used to create the search. That's exactly what we are doing in this video. We are going to capture the search results URL that the lead visits, and then use that exact URL to create the saved search without the lead having to do anything. So let's build the workflow for this. This is not pre-built in the app, so we are creating it from scratch. Inside your HighLevel sub-account, go to Automations and click Create Workflow. Then select Start from Scratch. Now we need a trigger. The trigger is what will activate this automation whenever the lead performs a search. IDXAddons automatically stores the latest results URL a lead visited inside a custom field, so that's what we're going to use. Select Contact Changed as the trigger, and then choose the custom field called Recently Viewed Results IDXAddons. Change the operator to Has Changed. That means every time the stored URL changes, the automation will fire. If you want, you can use other triggers later, like tags, contact created, or anything else. Click Save. Before adding the webhook action, we must include a very important step, a drip action. This prevents reaching the API limit. Sometimes multiple leads might perform a search at the same time, and that could hit the limit of API calls and shut down your automation temporarily. To avoid that problem, we set drip action so that only one lead is processed every 4 minutes, ensuring the system continues working smoothly no matter how many leads trigger the workflow. So I'll add the action now, set batch size to 1 and interval to 4 minutes, and save. After that, we'll add the webhook. Go back to the IDXAddons app and copy the webhook URL shown for IDX Broker Lead Basic Search. Paste it into the webhook URL field inside the action. Now we need to add the required custom data keys. These must match exactly the names provided in IDXAddons, lowercase with underscores. Otherwise, the webhook will fail. We'll add the following items: first name, last name, email, and search URL. After adding each key, we assign the correct contact field. For first name, we select Contact First Name. For last name, Contact Last Name. For email, Contact Email. And for search URL, we select the custom field called Recently Viewed Results, IDXAddons. If you see any extra details inside the value, remove them. We only want the clean custom field selected. Once everything matches exactly what IDXAddons requires, click Save Action. Now we can give the workflow a name and publish it. At this point, the automation setup is complete. As a quick summary, We set a trigger using the IDXAddons custom field. We added drip mode to protect the API call limit, and we added the webhook that will automatically create a saved search using the results URL. Now let's test it so you can see the real impact. I'm going to impersonate a lead who already has an activated IDX account. I'll click the IDX button to log in as this lead on the website. She already has a saved search, but that's okay. I'm just going to look around for more properties. I'll select a property type, a location, add a price range, bedrooms, and then click on Search.da View Results. This page that loads is the results page. You can tell because the listings appear, and the URL at the top contains all the search criteria, things like price, subtype, location, and more. Normally, the lead would have to click Save Search manually. But with our automation in place, that step is no longer necessary. Now let's check our workflow. In the automation history, we can see that this lead was added to the queue, and the webhook executed successfully. So let's confirm inside the contact. I'll go back to the lead record, click on the IDX section again, and now you can see a brand new saved search automatically created. It contains the same criteria I just used in the search, and if we click on it, it sends us right back to the same results page. From now on, this lead will automatically receive email alerts for new matching properties. This is just one way to use this webhook. You can build many types of automations using IDXAddons webhooks. You can choose different triggers, add follow-up actions, build sequences, whatever fits your workflow best. The most important detail to remember is to include drip mode before the webhook action, so your API calls remain safe and the system keeps running. If you have any questions, our team is always happy to assist. You can contact us at support@realtycandy.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.